Hi, what is the value of A? Given that you have A multiplied by A multiplied by A, all divided by A plus A plus A equals 6. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, we have A times A times A. This one has power 1. So we can have it as A to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by A is common. We can factor it out here. Here will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then equals 6. So from here we have A to the power of 3 divided by A, 1 plus 1 plus 1 we have here to be also 3 equals 6. So from here we have A to the power of 3 divided by 3A equals 6. Then let's multiply 2 by 3. So we have 3 times A to the power of 3 divided by 3 times A equals 6 times 3. So this and this we cancel out. So we are going to have A to the power of 3 divided by A equals 6 times 3 will give us 18. So from here, we have this one to be power 1. Then recall that when you have A to the power of m divided by A to the power of n equals A to the power of m minus n. So let us apply it here. We're going to have A to the power of 3 minus 1 equals 18. Have A to the power of 2 equals 18. So from here, let's take the square root of both sides as root of A to the power of 2 equals positive or negative root of 18. This and this will cancel. We have A to be equals positive or negative root of 9 times 2 will give us 18. Recall that when you have root of A times B equals as when you have root of A times root of B. Apply it here. We have A to be equals positive or negative root of 9 times root of 2. We have A to be equals positive or negative root of 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by root of 2. We have A to be equals positive or negative. This and this will cancel, so we have 3 multiplied by root 2. So from here we have A to be equals positive or negative 3 root 2 as this. Then let us check. Let's say to check. So we have A times A times A times A divided by A plus A plus A that equals 6. So let's go along with plus root 3 plus 3 root 2. Here will be 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2 divided by 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, then is going to give you 6. So from here, we have 3 root 2. This one has power 1. This one has power 1. This one has power 1. So we can take one base and add the power together as 3 root 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by, this one is common. We can factor 1 outside as 3 root 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. We close it, then it's going to give us 6. We have here to be 3 root 2 to the power of 3 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 here will be 3 times this. We have 3 times 3 times root 2. Then it's going to give us 6. We have 3 root 2 divided by 3 root 2 to the power of 3. 3 times 3 will be 9 root 2. Then it's going to give us 6. This one has power 1. Recall that when you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, we can have this as a to the power of m minus n. So far they have the same base. We take one base, we subtract the power. So when we apply it here, we have 3 root 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. Then all divided by 9. So from here, this we have in parentheses as this. So it will be like this. To the power of 3, here will be to the power of 3. So here also will be to the power of 3. Then it's going to give us 6. 3 to the power of 2 will give us 27 divided by 9. Then multiply by root 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 will give us 2. Then it's going to give us 6. This and this will cancel out. We have 27 multiplied by 2 divided by 9. Then it's going to give us 6. 27 divided by 9 will give us 3 times this 2, which equals 6. So 6 equals 6. So therefore, the left hand side equals the right hand side. So let us check for the second one again. So from here, we are going to have minus root 3 root 2 in parentheses multiplied by minus 3 root 2 in parentheses multiplied by minus 3 root 2 in parentheses divided by minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Then it's going to give us 6. So minus times minus is plus times minus. We have here to be minus 3 minus outside. So we can have this as 3 root 2 to the power of 3. Then divide by this. Here will be minus outside. Here will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by root 2. Then it's going to give us 6.